I used to think that my life was a tragedy, but now I realize it's a comedy. Today I'm doing a makeup tutorial inspired by the upcoming Joker film. This version is portrayed by Joaquin Phoenix, and I'm already super excited to see where they take this movie. Start by applying green hair color. I used a combination of spray color and Mehron green painted in for fill color. Clean any excess green and clean the skin with witch hazel. Next, lay down the Joker's iconic foundation. I used Mehron white face paint, which is water activated, but you can use cream makeup as well. Apply with a sponge to achieve a uniform look. Brushes will leave brush strokes, and fingers will introduce oil and dirt to the face. That's nasty. Use the jaw and hairline as a border for the face paint. Avoid the eye sockets and mouth. These will be filled in with blue and red later. Go back over the entire face with a makeup sponge to even out your application. Next, I dipped a cotton swab in water and began mapping out the mouth shape. This is to reduce smudging and any muddiness when the red is applied. You want the most contrast possible with this look. Continue mapping out the triangular eyebrow shapes with a clean cotton swab dipped in water. Extend the lower triangular shapes that run below the eyelids. Clean off the nose area with another clean swab. The best brush for color application would probably be small to medium pointed brush. I applied Mehron Classic Red with a small amount of brown mixed in. Stay just inside the border of the nostrils and don't run too far up the bridge of the nose. Continue using deep red and apply the eyebrow shapes. I ended up smudging the brow shapes on purpose as they appeared to run in some of the movie scenes. The face is not uniform, as you will see with the Joker's mouth. It's more like a Nike swoosh than Ronald McDonald. P.S. Who's a creepier clown, Ronald McDonald or the Joker? Leave a response in the comment section below. Using a flat or angled brush helps keep a crisp edge with the Joker's mouth. The mouth shape extends outside the lips for a wider, more dramatic look. The outside of the mouth tapers to a point on each side. Next, use a small flat brush to paint on the triangular shapes. I mixed Mehron Classic Blue with a light green to achieve this version of the color. I tried to reference the movie clips as much as possible. The lower eyelids each have a triangular shape. One is simple like the top, and the other extends halfway down the face, tapering to a longer point. Fill in the entire lower lid with color. Your look is complete. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Is it just me, or is it getting crazier out there?